Northcote. We've got a VEG chicken system installation underway. Just getting started here, half an hour later. Bit of rain and hail, meaning lunchtime. Alright, time for the wire to start going on. 3:30 in the afternoon, and I'd say we're about to enter the home straight. We'll be back for another morning, I reckon. First gate has been, what's it called? Hinged? Set? Hinged? Yeah, anyway. This is going to be a run as well, so they can duck around the back here, have a bit of an exercise, go for a little jog, a little chicken jog. And here we are, end of day one. Oh, it's in Melbourne, there's the train. So the fox proofing layer just went in. It drops down about 10 centimetres and then comes out at least 35-40 centimetres. And foxes, once it's covered over the soil, they come to the edge and start to scratch, hit the wire and give up. And for some reason they've never figured out that if they backed up a foot and tunneled, they'd be okay. Not a single fox has foiled us yet. We've got our double gate system, so you can say hi to the ladies throwing some food scraps, watch them making new compost in this completely fox-proof straw yard. Some little steps so they can hop in and out of the house at leisure. And what we haven't added yet is there'll be a little chicken hatch here and here that you can open with the pull of the cord and send the chickens either to run 1 or to run 2. So here we are with Bronwyn, who is the owner of a new VEG chicken system. What do you reckon, Bronwyn?
Oh, I'm amazed. I'm blown away. I can't believe it's my yard.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Looking very very farmy all of a sudden.
Yeah, it is.
All you need is your livestock now.
I think I'm getting 3 chooks, each a different type, a Rhode Island Red, a light Sussex. Oh my God, what's the other one? There's so many.
Rhode Island Red,
Australorp. An Australorp, yeah. All large birds, but they'll get on. And I just wanted that variety of colour.
Yeah.
And they're all good layers, and they won't fly out and get killed by my dog.
Yeah. This is your daily walk. You're gonna come in here.
So the egg box
isn't there yet.
Where will it sit?
So it's just gonna, it'll be it's a little box that just sits in here.
Just sits on here.
That you can take out if you want to for cleaning or whatever.
It does look easy to look after. It looks fantastic.
Yeah, and it's summer ventilation, which is really important.
Yeah.
Nice breeze.
The heat is,
Can literally be a killer.
I really like that feature.
Yeah, yep. So, there we go. That's a wrap on another VEG Chook system. Oh yeah.